Picking the right abrasive can feel like a bit of a minefield, especially when there's so many options. Now here at ITS, we stock 3 of Festool's abrasive options, the Granat, the Granat NET and the Rubin. But what's the difference? Which one do you need and what are they actually for? Let's take a look. So starting with the Granat abrasive, now this is the premium universal abrasive, so it's got loads of uses, but with a grit range of between 40 and 1500, really the best applications for this is for sanding paint, clear coats and between coats of paint as well. Now onto the Granat NET, so this is the premium abrasive net that you can get. So this is for your applications that produce a lot of dust, but because of this, every time you use one of these, you have to use this protection pad. Main reason for that is because a lot of dust gets through the net. If you don't use a protection pad, that's going to get into the sander and into the sanding pad itself, which is something you don't want. Now with a grit range of between 80 and 400, the best applications that this is going to be for is for sanding your fillers and your plaster as well. So now let's look at the Rubin. Now this is the special abrasive for woodworking. With a grit range of between 40 and 220, this is going to be perfect for applications, well, anything to do with wood. So if you're prepping for oil, wax, varnish, paint, anything like that, this is the abrasive that you're going to want to use. And it's also worth noting that this has a robust paper backing as well. So if you're going to be sanding along the edges, this is not going to crack or break when you're doing that. So that's a really quick overview of the Festool abrasive range that we offer. It's really important that you do pick the right one for you. And you can find all of these right now at its.co.uk.